Microsoft Planner is a task management tool of Microsoft Office 365 Productivity Suite. It helps you and your team to organize your daily tasks to ensure the completion of tasks on time. You can assign tasks to your subordinates and can easily track the progress. Sometimes, you need to collaborate with your clients, customers, or consultants outside of your organization as well. For example, your team had been assigned a project which needs to be delivered to your client, that is another organization. As the project lead, you have divided the project into modules. You created a plan for the project in Microsoft Planner, created the modules as buckets, further created the tasks to be covered and assigned the tasks to the team members, created tasks for the project that has to be done by your team members. After some time, your client also want to know the progress status on the project and how you are managing the task. For this, you tend to add that member as a guest in a plan that we showed you in one of our previous videos. Now, in this video, we will show you how the external user will communicate with you and access the files of the plan in which he has been added as a guest. So suppose I was added as a group in this plan, marketing campaign. I'll get a welcome email like this in my Outlook client. I'll be able to see all the members that are there in this plan. So here I can start the conversation by clicking on this option, start a conversation under email with ease. If I click on this option, it will direct me to my new email window with the email address of this plan in my recipient dialog box. So I'll write the subject over here. After writing the subject, I'll give the body. So I'll send this message by this send option. Now you must be wondering how the members of this plan marketing campaign will communicate with the guest member. So if I switch to the plan and from here I'll click on conversation. So here you can see this message over here that the guest member sent to the team members of this plan marketing campaign. I want to review the prototype. Now if I go to the plan and click on this task card, I'll write a comment over here and here I'll click on this option send. Now how the conversations that are going on under this plan will reach to the guest user. You can see this new message over here in my inbox. Please provide me the prototype details. So this is how the communications can be done between the members of a plan and the guest user. Now if I again go to my welcome email, I will be able to access files which are there in the plan by clicking on this option access files under read group files. You all can see it has directed me to my SharePoint site for the plan, and from here I can access all the files that have been shared by all the team members in the plan. As a guest user, from this option new, I can create any document, and if I click on this option upload and upload any file from here, now I select this file. Now you all can see that as a guest, I have uploaded this file. Now I will see whether the other team members will be able to access this file or not. If I go over here and click on files, you can see all the team members will be able to access this file from here easily. Now as a guest member, if I go over here and click on this file, you can see I can share a file, copy link of the file, download a file easily like this, rename a file, copy a file, move a file, etc. So as a guest member, I can create a new file, upload a new file, download a file, and so on. Now as a guest, if I click on this option notebook, I can see the shared notebook of this plan marketing campaign and can write over here easily. Now we will check whether all the team members will be able to access these changes or not. So here, if any of the member click on the more options and from here select notebook, all the team members will be able to access the changes over here like this. Lastly, the guest member can leave the group whenever he or she wants to. So these all are the privileges a guest member will get when that person will be added as a guest in a plan.
So this is all about this feature. I hope you liked it. For more of such videos on Office 365, subscribe to our YouTube channel, that's Foetron Cloud Academy. Thank you and have a nice day.